The big question now is, can our parents match the answers their son or daughter gave?
She fancies herself a rapper, is that true?
No.
You'll go with math?
Yes.
He went with social studies.
I love math.
But he went with Captain Quick Keys, because you type so fast.
Oh, yeah.
No match there, but there's lots of questions coming.
Thank you. I'm gonna say hockey. I'm gonna say a hockey team.
Say a hockey team.
No, I think I said the wrong answer.
Luke said that he would spend it watching the Blue Jays.
Oh! You know what he said? You have no fears at all.
What is your favorite Michael Jackson song? What do you think Justin said?
Man in the Mirror.
Kita said herself.
Because I lay down on the couch and I did not want to get up, remember?
Yeah, come on, Dad.
His meal for the rest of his life?
Yeah.
That's an easy one. It's spaghetti.
Spaghetti.
Yeah.
No problem. Easy one. He
Easy
said
one.
Caesar salad.
Caesar salad?
He said fidgeting. He's always moving around.
So close.
Seriously?
Yes, seriously.
Why?
Would it be Pikachu?
It would not be Pikachu. Thank you for the buzzer. It would be Hammy the hamster.
Oh, no.
Raw meat.
Raw meat. Toilet handle is what she went with.
Really? Why? Why?
But he said shark. What do you think of that?
I think this is a shark, not a fish.